The number of coyote sightings has spiked in Toronto, a cause for concern for pet owners across the city. And tonight we have a strong message from Toronto Animal Services. Stop feeding coyotes.
It's a coyote.
Is it?
Yeah.
For sure?
Yeah.
No.
1,000%.
A close encounter with a large coyote wandering around the middle of a downtown Toronto street. This video taken by City News journalist Janella Massa just past midnight last night near Danforth and Coxwell.
Whenever we hear about coyotes that are coming up into neighborhoods and coming close to homes, 100% of the time when we investigate, we find that somebody's been feeding the coyotes. So that's really the strong message here.
Feeding coyotes leads to public health concerns. The wild animals don't need human food to survive, and it coaxes them out of ravine systems and into residential areas. One of the reasons the number of reported sightings in the city has spiked from just under 800 in 2017 to almost 1,300 in 2019.
It's just such a wrong thing to do, to feed a coyote. They're very opportunistic and intelligent. So that's an easy meal for them. That's where they're going to go to eat.
A dog park in the same East End neighborhood as last night's sighting has posters on the entrance warning about coyotes in the nearby ravine system. In recent weeks, dog owners have raised concerns after close calls and even attacks at other parks around the city.
I haven't seen any, but I've certainly heard them on the tracks.
Oh, you've heard them?
Yeah, they go up and down the tracks. There was a family living up near Woodbine there on the tracks.
Does it concern you at all as a dog owner?
Oh, yeah, it does. It does.
Do you take any precautions when you're out here with your dog?
I keep her on leash when she's out of the park, but within the park, just keeping a watchful eye.
Just to keep our eyes open and obviously not stick around if we see one.
As part of living in a city, there's wildlife and comes with the territory.
The city says there are a number of preventative measures that can be taken if a coyote is approaching you. Make loud noises to scare them away, keep your dogs on leash at night, and make sure they have good recall ability if they are off leash. Relocating coyotes is not an option as it is against provincial law. For City News, I'm Tina Yazdani.